Hi, and welcome to this new training video on the Edge Alerts with Video Intelligence and Motion feature for the 6.1 release. This feature allows users to configure Edge-based alerts. For example, motion detection and tamper detection, all while using VideoEdge NVR-based video intelligence alarm settings. The user can choose to enable or disable any of the available alarm types. In this example, we have set up an Illustra Flex 3 camera with video intelligence. Next, we'll configure the alarms. In the alarm section, you can see that the object detection alarm is set. And we also have the ability to receive edge-based alerts for blur, motion, and tamper. These can be enabled via the edit icon. Select yes to enable, and then select the save icon. And here you can see that motion detection, blur detection, and the tamper alert are all active in the event viewer in Victor.